Hi all, today's topic is Stokes theorem. The formula for Stokes theorem, single integral over f into dr equal to double integral over curl into f vector into n vector ds. So for a problem to verify Stokes theorem, f vector is given in the question over the surface of the cube. The cube limit has been given in the question. Above xy plane, I will tell what is the reason, what we have to do if it is mentioned above xy plane. When I explain it for surface, I will explain it. So now we have to do left and right because it is mentioned verify. Verify means you have to do left and right. Both answer we have to cross check it whether both are same. Okay. So if it is not given verify, only evaluate is given. It's our wish. We may do left or we may do right. Okay. Only one answer is enough. Okay. So now left hand side it's a single integral over f into dr. So dr, everyone know that r vector is nothing but x into I vector plus y into j vector plus z into k vector will be coming. I did not write the reason, I will tell. Dr is nothing but dx into I vector plus dy into j vector. So I am going to consider only one of my region. It's O, this surface only I am going to consider. O, A, B, C. So I have drawn separate. This is my region. O, A, B, C. Okay. So along O, A, B, B, C and C, O, when it covers, I will get my single integral over f into dr, I will get it. Okay, when it covers any one, because all the surface, any one if I do, it's the same. Okay, it is same. Any one surface we do it, that is enough. Okay, so that only I am going to do in this. Okay, so it lies which direction you have to cross check it. It is in the xy plane. So xy plane means z equal to 0. That is why I omit in this z into k vector. I omit. The reason is this region lies in the xy plane. It is xy plane. So f into dr, first I will multiply. So multiply this into I vector plus yz plus 4 into j vector minus xz k vector into dr dx into I vector plus dy into j vector. So multiply it, I vector into I vector is 1, j vector into j vector 1, remaining whatever the multiplication is 0, only this I can multiply it. So y minus z plus 2 into dx plus yz plus 4 into dy. So this is our f into dr vector. So f vector into dr vector. We have to do all the cases, single integral for all the cases. So it's nothing but f into dr equal to single integral over along OA plus single integral over along AB plus single integral over along BC plus single integral over along CO. So all the four region when I add it, I will get my single integral f into dr. So along OA means everyone know that it's along OA. So along OA means you know that this is the line. Along OA means this is our line. This is our line means y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Okay. So y equal to 0 means dy is 0. Okay, we have to y, it is in terms of y means what is our x limit. Okay, so y is 0, so y equal to 0, then you see it is also z also 0. I have to write z also 0, dz also 0, both are 0 because it is in the border line. Okay, so both are 0, only x equal to 2, it is x equal to 2 I have it. So the limit will be, x limit will be 0 to 2. So for along OA, same way you come with the diagram, you have to check it along AB. AB, when I consider it, okay, you check this line, it's nothing but x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Z, this line when I consider, Z also 0. So it is nothing but dx is 0, dz is 0. So I have to write my y limit. Y limit is nothing but, you check it, it is 0 to 2. Check the limit, y limit from here to here. This is 0 to where it goes 2. Okay. So 2 completed. Along now BC. Along BC, what is the line? Y equal to 2. This is y. So y equal to 2. And we know that this also is at 0. Which line it lies? Only that. Z is 0. So dy 0, dz 0. So my limit will be, okay, x limit. X limit you have to check it. X limit where it goes? From here to here it goes. Okay. You have to, x limit always from left to right. Left is nothing but 2. So 2 to 0. So limit is 2 to 0. Okay. You consider the cube to be like this means you feel difficult only. You have to imagine your cube, original cube you have to imagine. Then only you will get the exact shape. You will not get any confusion at all. When you see the diagram in the picture wise like this rough diagram, you get confusion only. So along CO, when you consider along CO, this is bottom. This is a surface nothing but bottom of the cube. So according to that you consider only, it will be easy. So along CO, when I consider it, along CO means, so now we know that CO means at x equal to 0 and Z also 0. So dx is 0, dz 0. So we have to write y limit. Y limit when I write it, you check the diagram. Y limit I have to write from here to here it goes. So 2 to 0. So completed. All this we have to substitute in the f into dr. You have to substitute it, integrate it, you get your left hand side. So that only I am going to do. I will integrate it. So now when I integrate it, I'll do it in a single line. You get a confusion means you have to do it separate. Okay. So now single integral over, what is the limit? 0 to 2, 0 to 2. Okay, substitute all this full table, you have to substitute in the given question. F into dr, you have to substitute it. Substitute. In this, when I substitute, y 0 is at 0. I'll be getting only 2 into dx. In this, dy 0, so fully 0. So I will be getting 2 into dx. Right now? Plus, the second integral this. So it is limit 0 to 2. You get confusion mean you write which is the limit, x limit or y limit, only down you write, it's enough. Okay. So now we have to substitute this in the given question, f into dr we have to substitute. X equal to 2, x where we don't have at all, z is 0, z is 0. So dx is 0, this fully 0, then this fully 0. In this when I substitute, d is at 0, a is at 0, so this term I will not get. So 4 dy, 4 dy completed, plus third x limit 2 to 0. So now I have to substitute the third this case, y equal to 2. So now when I substitute it, y equal to 2 in this, and dy 0, dy this fully 0, dz I don't have at all, z 0. So y I will have, so y as it is, y should be replaced by 2. So 2 plus again on 2, so 4 dx plus fourth integral y limit 2 to 0. So this I have to substitute. So when I substitute into f into dr, x is 0, dx is 0, this fully 0, dz 0, this fully 0, 4 dy. So 4 dy. Now integrate it. So we have to integrate it. 2 into x 0 to 2 plus 4 into y 0 to 2 plus 4 into x 2 to 0 plus 4 into y 2 to 0. Substitute in this 2 4 plus 2 8 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 8 get cancelled, minus 8 plus 4, so minus 4. I'm getting the left hand side single integral over f into dr equal to minus 4. This is LHS, left hand side. Okay. Same answer I should get for right hand side. We will check, okay, whether we are getting. So now this is here left hand side. Before coming with the right hand side, what is our formula for right hand side? See here, this is our formula. Curl into f vector, then only surface. Surface I will explain it. First curl into f vector I will find. So curl into f vector we need to calculate. Curl into f vector, first I will calculate it. Curl into f vector is nothing but del cross f vector. Everyone know to write del cross I vector, j vector, k vector in a determinant format. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So the first element I vector corresponding coefficient in the first case. Second element second, y z plus 4 plus 4. Third element minus x z. Normal matrix determinant. So when I find a determinant, so I vector into corresponding. So this 0, this when I substitute, I'll be getting minus ez differentiation 1. So minus y I'll be getting. So minus j vector into opposite when I do it z. So it's nothing but minus ez plus 1 plus k vector when I do it, I'll be getting minus 1. So my answer will be minus y I vector plus z plus 1 into j vector minus k vector. It's my curl dot f vector. Okay, curl dot f vector completed. Now check your diagram. So it's a surface. Double integral means it's a surface. I'll show you the diagram. This is our diagram. Cube. So cube, when you consider it, so this is our diagram. See here, how many surface we have? 6 surface totally. For example, this is my first surface. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, this square. Okay, S5, this square, this square, this square. Okay, so this square exists. So 6 surface I have it. Okay, so separate you have to consider. So how we can write it in a table format so that we will not do any mistake. Okay, so it's like you can remember it like this. This is top square. Imagine your square, original square you have it. Okay, original cube you have it. So this is top, this is down. Okay, so this is your according to me, this is left, this is right. Okay, so center we have 2. Okay, center we have 2. So this is the way we are going to write. Okay, for example, when you take this left, it's a minus minus j vector because it is with respect to whatever it is. For example, top and down, it's nothing but k vector. Okay, so down, it's nothing but, so this square, it is I vector and minus I vector. So like that we have to write it in a table format. I will write table format so that you can understand clearly. So double integral over, now right hand side we have to do it. Right hand side double integral over curl into f vector into n vector into ds only we have to do it. That is nothing but surface 1, the same formula you should not disturb, same. So surface 2 plus surface 3 plus surface 4 plus surface 5, 6 also will come. 6 also will come. In this we are omitting because the reason surface 6 we have it. Okay, so we are going to omit. Reason, it is given in the costing above xy plane. XY plane. Okay, surface 6 I'm going to omit. One surface I'm going to omit. Okay, you can ask me why, you can anything I can interchange and write. Yes, you can interchange and write. You are not doing any mistake means okay. Okay, you will do mistake means exactly you have to write the same. Okay, you should not do a mistake while writing this all the 6 surfaces. So now I will show you how I'll write it in a table format. Is omitted. Okay, I'm not going to use the 6 surface, only 5 surface. Now first surface is nothing but the last surface, this shape. This shape O, A, B, C. So I'm going to beat. The reason, you check in the diagram, reason it is below xy plane, this region. Okay, this surface I'm going to omit. Okay, the arrangement it can be anything. The only this I'm going to omit. All other surface I'm going to consider. Okay. So now first you take it A, B. Okay. A, B, D, E. My first surface I'm going to take A, B, A, B, D, E. Okay. When I take it. Okay. So all the thing we have to write it in a line only. You will not do any mistake. Okay. So A, B, D, E when you take it means the region when you take it. So when I take it, it is nothing but, so N is nothing but N vector is towards I. And it is given in the question X to be Z. X is Z means dx is, it is nothing but YZ plane. ds is dy dz. X is nothing but this is 2. Not dz, this is 2. This is 2. I'll show you the diagram. This square. This square. Okay, so you check in this x equal to 2. Okay, so it is nothing but I vector only. Okay, so the other, this square will be my minus I vector. Okay, opposite will be minus I vector. So now this only I have written. Okay, so shape will be like this shape. A, this is B, D, E shape. So like this you write it, you will not do mistake at all. It is in a anti-clockwise direction. So completed. First surface 1. Okay, I have written everything. So we have to integrate it only. That I will do it down. First I will write all the details so that easy. My second surface, O, C, G, F. Okay, so it is nothing but minus I. N cap is minus I vector. So O, C, G, F. My n vector is minus I n vector. X is nothing but 0. So my ds is same YZ plane only. My diagram will be like this. O, C, G, F. Anti-clockwise. So completed. So second surface also completed. My third surface, I will show you in the diagram. So now this side, okay, that is according to me, it's a right hand side. B, C, G, D, green color. Green color. B, C, G, D. So it is nothing but y equal to 2. So my n vector will be j vector. Okay, ds is nothing but it is a xz plane. So dz. Okay, my shape of the diagram will be according to the diagram. So like this shape. This is my B, C, G, D, anti-clockwise direction. So completed. Okay. So fourth surface. Okay, same way. Fourth surface when you come, check with the diagram. So O, A, okay, E, F. Because it is also minus J vector. Okay. It is a minus J vector. Left hand side of my, according to me, it is my left hand side. O, A, E, F. O, A, E, F. N vector is nothing but minus J vector. And Y is nothing but 0. And ES is same XZ plane. Okay. Completed. My fifth surface will be already down taken top. So top is nothing but D, G, okay, D, E, F, G, anti-clockwise. So clockwise I told, anti-clockwise we have to use. So anti-clockwise means D, E, F, G. The omitted surface will be OA, anti-clockwise. Okay. The diagram will be this is D, This D, E, F, G. So anti-clockwise. So n vector is nothing but k vector and z equal to 2. It's given. So ds is nothing but x, y plane. So this is omitted. Same thing, z equal to 0. N vector is nothing but minus k vector. Okay, diagram is given. So it is nothing but O, A, B, C. It is omitted only, then why you are writing? Okay, it is omitted. Okay, only it is mentioned above 6y plane, it is omitted. Other case, you have to use your x is suffix also we have to use it. Like this, detail first you write it, integrate it in the next column. Okay, so it is easy for us to add everything. Okay, so integration, do it like this. This is omitted, so no need that data. So this integration I have to do it. So already we know that the formula is nothing but double integral over. Our question you write it in a like this in the left hand side. What is our curl into f vector? Already we have calculated. It's nothing but minus y into I vector plus z minus 1 into j vector minus k vector. So that is my curl. So depending upon your n vector only, what we have to multiply it, we have to decide it. So depending upon your n vector, I vector. So I vector means only this will be coming. So my answer will be minus y. So differentiation ds is nothing but dy dz. Okay. So you remember your formula, curl into f vector into n vector ds. So that only I am writing here. So completed. My integration, every limit, all the three limit is given in the question to be 0 to 2. So it's fixed. It's x or y or that you don't bother at all. It's different only. We have to cross check it. Okay. It's like this means we need not check. Same way at x equal to 0. So same thing, same f curl into f. So now n vector is a minus I vector. So minus plus will be coming. So plus y. So same double integral over y dy dz. Same 0 to 2. It is in the terms of plus. Okay. So next will be, so j vector when I multiply j vector into j vector is 1. So it is nothing but double integral over, I will be getting z minus 1 into dx dz. dx dz. Same way when you write in this j vector into minus j vector is double integral over, same way minus of z minus 1 into dx dz. My this answer into k vector. So k vector will be double integral over k vector into k vector 1. So minus dx dy. This I need not write at all. It is empty. So every limit is with respect to 0 to 2. You write it like this table format means it's easy for simplification. How I will say it is easy, because minus plus you will be getting the answer, no. So you check in this same, I'm getting in negative and positive. So I need not integrate at all. This both get cancelled. Same way you check this both. So plus and minus. When I integrate and get the answer also, I will be getting the same only. It is going to cancel only. So directly I will cancel. Only this I will be getting. This is not there. Only this I have to write it. So only this I am going to integrate it. Minus integral 0 to 2 x, when I integrate I will be getting 2 into dy again. So again one more time when I do, it's nothing but minus 4. Already every answer get cancelled. This is not there, so minus 4. Now my right hand side will be, RHS will be double integral over curl into f vector into n vector into ds is nothing but minus 4. So already I got left hand side also minus 4. Now right hand side also minus 4. So Stokes theorem is verified. Hence verified. Thank you.